Alright, so I am at a warranty call here, and we have a unit where the compressor is not running. My fan only is on. Sticker plate 2018 is when it was made. We put it in last year in June. So I come over and I listen, and you can hear the compressor kicking in and out. First thing I see is I look in and I check the contactor. All the terminals look good, no burns, no nothing. Compressor's attempting to fire up and fire down. So we're gonna just replace the capacitor real quick, and we got a 45.5 right there on there. And it is up on this list. We're gonna replace it with Titan HD. You can hear the compressor go there. You see the gauge readings move a little, so let's give it a shot, see what happens. For your viewing pleasure, I'll do some landscapes here. Fan's on the right, Herm's on the left. Common's gonna go center. Brown is typically fan. Orange is typically Herm. 2 layers shouldn't be common. Got common. Let's check. Check capacitors. Common, Herm, fan, red, and purple are common. This terminal's a little shorter, so move the purple over, and then we got brown. This fan and Herm is orange, and that's your typical. So fan. Brown, put it in the bag so it's not near the other common wire. And we'll take our fuse. Pressure come on for a second. Nothing. we got to try hard start. Alright, so I go get the ICM 856 start relay, hard start capacitor. I will mount it. But I'm going to give it a go. You don't got to take any of the terminals off. You just plop them on the extra ones. And I'm going to grab fuse, give it a shot. Bingo, that's what we want to hear. So we'll go ahead and set our probes up. See what's going on. We're just going to let it stabilize here. It's on about 10-15 minutes, get the pressures right. Alright, so I came out, saw it, I had a 68, it's rising, it's a little warmer outdoors. Wet bulb temperature, this is the E-ray humidity meter. And we're going to go to mode. We are at 89, 90 degrees here in Michigan today. So, pull the chart up. That's 13 sewer only. Outdoor temperature 90 degrees. Indoor wet bulb is at 68, 70. So, we're going to go in and look at the model number. See what kind of tonnage we have here. And we have a 42 3042. Come over to the 42. Third one from the edge. So here's our two lines, right here and right here. 142, 148. We are popping 134. And our subcooling is 10. Staying on the low side. We've been running for about 10-15 minutes. So as this thing stays on the low side, I'm going to flip through and I'm going to show you we got 32 degrees delta. We have 46 and 100 degrees, 108 degrees temperatures on our fluids. Have temperature clamp of 166. So liquid temperature. We are going to look on the liquid side for liquid temperature. There's our temperature, 98. So we're gonna look for 98. And we're gonna go to liquid gauge pressure, and we're running right at 10, so it should be 365, 341. In between them two, closer to the 365. When you come over here, you see we're at 358, so we're a little shy on both, so we need to give it just a little squirt, just to be safe. Alright, so you know my measurements are coming up just a tad under on the pressures with both calculations, and my subcoolant is coming up alright. So we're cooling the house and we're running and it's hot. We have about 8 service calls and it's 2 p.m. so this one is getting signed out.